We've typed thottam install a few times this season without stopping to look at it. Thottam is Kaappi's package manager, Tamil for garden. And it's worth 10 minutes. Because it does something most package managers make you opt into. Every install is pinned to an exact commit, automatically. Here's a clean machine. No packages. Let's fix that. It clones the package, resolves what it found to a full commit hash, installs the library, and, the important word, locks it at that commit. Not version 2 point something, that exact commit. And now the import just works. No library path flags, nothing to configure. Thottam put it in the Kaappi home directory, which Kaappi already searches. Install it, import it, done. Now, watch this one. We asked for the HTTP library, and Thottam noticed it needs the networking library, went and got that too, and then compiled it, because KaappiNet has a C component. That's a real C compiler invocation scrolling past, linking against OpenSSL. One command, and we got 2 packages and a freshly built native library. Everything the HTTP episode needed is now in place. Thottam list shows what you've got, each with the commit it's locked to, and the dependency spelled out. HTTP depends on net. Short hashes here, but they're the real thing. That knowledge comes from a tiny file in each package called kaappi.pkg. A name, what it depends on. A build command, if it has native code to compile. That's the make that ran a moment ago. And which Kaappi versions it works with. 4 lines, no ceremony. If you publish a package, this is the whole manifest. Every lock lands in one file. And Thottam Verify walks it, checking that what's actually installed still matches what the lock file says. That's your reproducibility check. Run it in CI, and you'll know if a machine has drifted. There's a locked flag too, which refuses to install anything that isn't already in the lock file. Update re-resolves a package to the latest commit and relocks it. With no package named, it updates everything. And remove takes it away cleanly. Try the import again, and the library's simply gone. So, that's Thottam. Install, list, verify, update, remove, a 4-line manifest, and a lock file pinning everything to exact commits, including packages with C code it builds for you. Next time is the finale. We take everything from this season and ship it as a single native binary you can hand to someone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.